Today we're going to connect the IntelliBrake app to this LPT. It's got 8K axles, got the new ABS technology. So you'll go to Google Play or go to the iOS App Store and download IntelliBrake by Diamond C. Pretty clear, got Diamond C branding, easy to see. And so when it comes up, it will say connect to ABS. You'll want to make sure that you have your truck key turned on or the truck is running. Therefore, it's supplying power back to the module. It fires the module. So it says connect to ABS. So we'll tap that. That gives you a little warning that says make sure to connect your vehicle, which we already talked about, and then turn your hazards on. So we've got that done. And so it says I'm ready. So we connect that. Now it automatically starts looking for the trailer. So it popped up and it has located this module, which is this trailer, and it says push to pair. So we want to click that. And now it is got it recognized. We hit continue and now it is connecting to the module. Super simple, fast. It tells you do not press the brake. Don't try and drive right now. Let it get fully paired with the ABS module. Now we have this congrats screen. So we feel like we have won on another level. We hit continue there. And the cool thing is now we are in the app and it shows you your mileage. That's basically like your dashboard. Shows you this trailer. We actually pulled it straight from the factory to where we're at, literally less than a mile down the road, and it's showing 1 mile. Say literally less, it's probably about a mile. So we've got 1 mile on this trailer, which is cool because it will allow you to track your mileage. If you want to track or need to, which you should, track your brake, your brake usage, that kind of thing, and you want to make sure you stay on top of those service intervals, this will help allow you to do that. It's got the sway control and also dynamic brake boost, which you can toggle those on and off. Like for me, I would probably just leave those on all the time. But you've got the ability to turn those off if you need to. And then also it acts as a dashboard, kind of like the engine light on your truck. If something was to happen with the system, it will alert you in the app that you have an issue and go see a dealer. Therefore, then they can further diagnose your system. So it's that easy to get hooked up to the new IntelliBrake app. If you've bought a Diamond C with ABS, make sure you download it. If not, go get you one today and make sure you download that app. So one thing I forgot that is important, if I was to take my phone and hurl it across this field and never come back and get it, it doesn't matter. The controller will operate as normal. You don't have to have the app for the ABS to work. And again, it's going to default to just normal brake settings. Even if the ABS stopped working for some crazy reason, you will still continue to have brakes as you normally would. The brakes are activated from your pickup just like normal. So very safeguarded, very redundant. The app is really cool to have, but again, if you don't have it, not a big deal.